Are you looking for the best TVs? In this video, we will look at some of the best TVs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1, TCL QM6K TV. The TCL QM6K shies away from the brightness one-upmanship of mid-range rivals for a more balanced approach. As the lead-off display in TCL's new precise dimming series, the QM6K, 8 out of 10, Wired recommends, employs a new halo control system designed to reduce light bloom, alongside multiple other new technologies to improve color accuracy, screen uniformity, and contrast. The result is an incredibly versatile display that does just about everything well, from naturalistic colors to rich black levels and impressive clarity. The QM6K isn't as bright as our previous pick, the Hisense U7N, but it still packs a punch for HDR and Dolby Vision. Along with its new screen tech, the TV gets a stout gaming update for 2025, including a loaded gaming bar, a high refresh screen with VRR, variable refresh rate, at up to 144 Hz, and TCL's zero-delay transient response for low-lag gaming. It's all controlled by a handy Google TV Smart interface for a package aimed to please just about anyone, especially now that it's often on sale. Number 2. LG G5 TV. LG's G5, 9 out of 10, Wired recommends, offers an incredible experience for high-end buyers. You'll find immaculate black levels and shadow detail, pristine picture processing, and vivid yet accurate colors for incredible realism. The piece de resistance is breakthrough brightness from its new 4-stack panel that helps to finally bring OLED level with many premium QLED TVs, matched by striking glare reduction for stellar performance in any light. The TV pairs its superb picture quality with advanced features like VRR gaming at up to 165 Hz and Xbox Cloud streaming for an overall experience worthy of its premium price. While some reviewers noted some HDR10 issues early on, we didn't see any after the latest firmware updates. A few quibbles, like a minor loss of off-angle color accuracy and some WebOS streaming flubs, are the only points keeping the latest flagship LG OLED from a perfect 10 out of 10. Number 3. LG C4 TV. LG's C4, 9 out of 10, Wired recommends, sits a tier below flagship OLEDs to pair a luxe experience with serious value, especially at current sale pricing now that the updated LG C5 is available, testing coming soon. This slim-bezeled OLED offers impressive OLED brightness and color, with support for Dolby Vision that Samsung's rival S90 TV series notably lacks. I love the Magic Remote, which is like a Wii remote for your TV that lets you point and click at what you want on screen. It's really awesome for making picture changes or logging into your myriad streaming accounts. Couple that with support for Google Chromecast and Apple AirPlay for easy casting from your cell phone, plus the ability to do 4K at up to 144 Hz across all 4 inputs while gaming, and you have yourself a brilliant centerpiece for your fancy modern living room. Number 4. Samsung S95F QD TV. Samsung spent time perfecting its matte screen year over year, and the second take is a stunning upgrade, offering virtually zero direct reflections and very little trade-off when it comes to perceived depth and black levels in most lighting. The Samsung S95F, 9 out of 10, Wired recommends, adds the brand's all-new QD OLED panel for breakthrough performance that ranks it among the best TVs we've ever tested. Reviewer Parker Hall couldn't stop using the word pretty, as the TV dazzled with crystal-clear picture processing, zippy yet granular color reproduction, and fabulous brightness that matches up with the best OLEDs we've seen, including the LG G5. The result is one of the most versatile screens, maybe the most versatile, you can buy, and the S95F doesn't stop there. You'll get a matched set of 4 HDMI 2.1 ports for gaming spoils, like a variable refresh rate up to 165 Hz with PCs, as well as loads of streaming options from Xbox Cloud to Netflix, and everything in between. We're not big fans of the updated Tizen Smart interface, which sputters more than you'd expect for a TV of this magnitude, and as usual, there's no Dolby Vision support. That didn't seem to matter much in performance though, as the TV offers a knockout picture that defies even the toughest lighting, day or night. Number 5. Sony Bravia 8.2 QD TV. Sony's top OLED for 2025 once again transfixed me with its beautifully immersive picture. Replacing the bewitching A95L, 9 out of 10, Wired recommends, the oddly dubbed Bravia 8.2 9 out of 10, Wired recommends, adds some sweet new skills, including higher HDR brightness courtesy of Samsung's most advanced QD-OLED panel yet. This TV is a dazzler, offering natural yet vivid colors, near-perfect screen uniformity, and perhaps the best picture processing I've ever evaluated, rendering 4K and even HD scenes so clearly you'll feel like they're going to spill into your living room. Lighter black levels and lower peak brightness than the knockout LG G5 are its only real downsides, along with Sony's miserly distribution of just 2 full-bandwidth HDMI ports. Otherwise, this is a regal experience with a kingly cost. Number 6. Sony Bravia 9 TV. You may think your current TV is bright enough, but Sony's masterful Bravia 9 QLED TV, 9 out of 10, Wired recommends, begs to differ. Its powerful mini LED backlighting system is impressively punchy, while maintaining excellent black levels and contrast. Add in Sony's excellent picture processing for vivid detail and vibrant yet restrained quantum dot colors, and you get a stunningly realistic viewing experience across content. Restraint is key to the Bravia 9's success. Its blazing backlight is judiciously distributed for exhilarating highlights and full-picture punch without the eye-blasting overload of cheaper brightness powerhouses. Off-axis viewing is also impressive for an LED TV, though the trade-off is some screen rainbowing with direct reflections. Sony TVs continue to skimp on HDMI 2.1 support, with only 2 of the flagship's 4 HDMI ports providing modern features like 4K gaming at 120 Hz. Those knocks aside, this TV is a modern QLED marvel with a price tag to match. Number 7. Samsung QN90D TV. The Samsung QN90D, 8 out of 10, Wired recommends, isn't the brightest TV in its class, but its still fiery mini LED backlight system outshines similarly priced OLEDs, combining with its stealthy anti-reflection tech for fabulous performance in the full light of day. It adds rich and natural colors, crisp picture processing, and oily black levels for a brilliant way to waste a good Sunday watching football or baseball, especially now that its price has dropped dramatically. The QN90D's standout motion response makes it great for gaming, as do extras like VRR, variable refresh rate, add up to 144 Hz across all inputs and a dedicated game hub. It's not all gravy, as the TV sometimes reveals light bloom in the dark and oversharpened artifacts with lower quality content. Its off-axis viewing is better than most QLED TVs, but not as good as OLEDs, and Samsung obstinately omits Dolby Vision. Still, with the QN90F priced much higher at present, testing forthcoming. The QN90D's premium picture and bright room brilliance make it a top pick for the right space. Number 8. Samsung S90D QD TV. Samsung has refreshed its 2025 lineup with the S90F, but the S90D, 9 out of 10 Wired recommends, is still one of the baddest TVs you can buy. Its OLED display provides incredible contrast thanks to fabulous black levels and great brightness for an OLED, while the use of quantum dots, available in the 55-, 65-, and 77-inch models, brings intense yet natural colors. Its gaming bona fides include 144 Hz refresh rate support across all inputs, VRR, and built-in cloud gaming for Xbox, Luna, and others. It looks excellent in game mode by default. Gaming aside, I loved everything I watched on this TV, from 4K HDR Blu-rays to the 2024 Olympics. While it doesn't offer Dolby Vision HDR support, Samsung opts for HDR10+ instead. The S90D is otherwise a premium screen that's now priced below many mid-range options. Number 9. Samsung QN900C TV. As we've noted in previous coverage, 8K TVs are a tough sell since 8K content is still scarce and the files are enormous. Luckily, Samsung's 8K TVs do a swell job upscaling 4K video, which is especially handy for larger screen sizes. Samsung's bright and beautiful QN900C, 8 out of 10, Wired recommends, comes in sizes ranging from 65 to 85 inches, and 65-inch TVs are the smallest 8K models you'll likely find. The TV's 33 million pixels are matched by fabulous picture processing, potent brightness, and vibrant colors. It all adds up to showy spectacle that's tough to rival. The QN900C is our current go-to model, not because it's the latest version, but because its sale price is much more affordable than new models. Even as the QN900F arrives, I recommend most 8K adopters go for the cheaper and larger QN900C while available. After all, the larger the TV, the better you can enjoy 8K's improved pixel density. Along with its sparkling 8K resolution, the QN900C is loaded with options like Samsung's pedestal-style floating screen design and tons of gaming features for a top-tier experience. Number 10. Hisense U8QG Series TV. This high-performance LCD TV delivers a great picture at a reasonable price and is equipped with all of the advanced technologies you need. An LCD/LED TV is an appropriate choice for the shopper who wants excellent picture quality, but isn't willing to spend a fortune to get the absolute best OLED TV. High-performance LCD TVs are especially well suited for very bright rooms. The Hisense U8QG sports all of the advanced TV technologies we like to see: quantum dots for richer color saturation, a mini LED backlight with local dimming for better black levels and overall contrast, and a 165 Hz refresh rate for improved motion, and it utilizes them to splendid effect. This LCD TV's image contrast almost rivals OLED quality. It excels with HDR video, thanks to its impressive brightness. We measured a peak brightness of 3,200 nits, which is brighter than any OLED TV. The U8QG also has all the necessary features to excel as a gaming monitor, with 3 high-bandwidth HDMI 2.1 inputs, 1 with eARC, that allow for 4K 120Hz gaming from the latest Xbox and PlayStation consoles. It also has a feature that I've never seen on a TV before, a USB-C video input. It comes equipped with the Google TV platform, which we found to be reliable and easy to use.